Let's do the fourth problem. We have to solve these sums using properties. Okay, any suitable properties. First one we have 738 into 103. So what property can we use to do this? We have 103. So I'm going to write it as 100 plus 3. Okay, so what property am I using? I'm going to use distributive property. So this becomes 738 into 100 plus 3. This becomes 738. So this is now 738 into 100 plus 738 into 3. Okay. Now this is 73800 plus 738 into 3 is okay. So this becomes okay. Now next one, 854 into 102. Same way, same. See here 103 I split as 100 plus 3. So I have 102 here, 1008 and 1005. So same distributive property I am going to use to do these problems easily. So this becomes 854 into 100 plus 854 into 2. This is 85400 plus this into 2 is 8. Okay, so this becomes, how am I adding? I'm just adding the last number here, then this and this I will add, then this and this and this and this I will add. I don't have to put it one below the other to do it. Okay. This is the answer. 258 into 1000 plus 8. This is nothing but 258 into 1000 plus 258 into 8. This becomes 250 plus okay. So this becomes the last one, 1005. So I'm going to write it like this for my convenience. Okay. This becomes 168 into 1000 plus 5. This becomes 168 into 1000 plus 168 into 5. 168000 plus okay, so 168,840. This is my answer. Okay, so now is this not easy, children? Now let's do the fifth problem. I will read it out for you. It's a word problem. A taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. The next day, he filled the tank with 50 liters of petrol. If the petrol cost rupees 44 per liter, how much did he spend in all on petrol? Okay, so Monday and Tuesday, he filled petrol. Okay. Monday 40 liters, Tuesday 50 liters. Okay. Cost of petrol is equal to rupees 44 per liter. Okay. So now they are asking total money spent on petrol is equal to how much? So we are going to write as 44 into, on 2 days he filled 40 liters and 50 liters. Okay, so 40 plus 50. Okay, so how did I write this? So what I'm going to do, first what we will do, so this only for Monday if we calculate, we will write it as 44 into 40. Only for Tuesday it will be 44 into 50. Okay, now they are asking the combined money spent. Okay, so this I have to add. So what happens, that becomes 44 into 40 plus 44 into 50. Right, so that I am directly writing as 44 into, this is common, right? So like in our previous problems, 44 I am writing it as common, 40 plus 50. Did you understand how I wrote? So that is why I wrote it here like this. So this I can solve as 44 into 90, that is nothing but rupees. So this is total money spent is rupees 3,960. Okay. Okay. Let's do the sixth one. I will read the problem. A vendor supplies 32 liters of milk to a hotel in the morning and 68 liters of milk in the evening. If the milk costs rupees 45 per liter, how much money is due to the vendor per day? Okay, I've written the steps already. Milk supplied in the morning is 32 liters. Milk supplied in the evening is 68 liters. Cost of milk is rupees 45 per liter. Okay, so what is the total amount due? So totally he is supplying 32 plus 68. Yes, so what should we do? 45 into 32 plus 68. Okay, this becomes 45 into 100. This is rupees 4,500. So money due. So the hotel has to pay rupees 4,500 to the milk supplier. Okay. The last problem of this exercise, a simple match the following. See the first one, 425 into 136. So 136 is split up as 6 plus 30 plus 100. Okay, 425 is as it is. 136 is split up like this. So what property is this? I am splitting this into this. So what property is this? This is distributive property. Okay, so here I will be writing 1. Okay, then this one 2 into 49 into 50 is equal to 2 into 50 into 49. Only the order is changed and the sign is multiplication. What property is this? This is commutative property under multiplication. 80 plus 2005 plus 20 is equal to 80 plus 20 plus 2005. Everything is addition only, but the order is changed. What is that? Commutative property under addition. Okay. Yeah, that's all. This exercise is over. Our next video we will be doing the last exercise of this chapter. Okay. Bye.